Welcome to my channel. My name is Michele Williams. Many of you know me as Coach Michele. Today I'm diving into a topic that's close to many aspiring entrepreneurs' heart, and that is starting a non-medical home care agency from scratch. Even if you don't have prior experience, you do not need to be a nurse. So the first thing is, if you've been dreaming of making a positive impact in your community by providing essential care services, then this video is for you, because you're providing services in the residence. Now, let's get started on your journey. First things first, understand the non-medical home care industry is crucial. You're dealing with medically fragile individuals. I say that all the time. It's about providing compassionate care, assisting with daily activities of living for those in need, allowing them to maintain independence in the comfort of their homes, meaning where they live. So now research and planning are keys to success. So dive deep into the needs of your target market, study your competition, and identify the unique value that you can bring to the community, to the table, and like how to differentiate yourself. Next, familiarize yourself with the legal requirements and regulations governing the home care agency in your state. Every state is different. So just because your friend is doing it doesn't mean you. And this step is essential in ensuring that you're compliant to make sure your clients are safe. Okay? Now, most importantly, I would say get a business plan, write it down so you can establish your business foundation. Outline your target market, the demographics, your financial projections, marketing strategies, growth strategies, scaling. Securing funding is a challenge for a lot of new people, so you want to make sure you understand what type of loans, grants, partnership, kickstart opportunities that may be available, savings, etc. And most importantly, guys, hire caregivers that are compassionate, trained, because they're the face of your business. If you don't have great caregivers, you don't have a great business. It's as simple as that. And marketing plays a crucial role, a huge role in attracting clients, caregivers, developing a strong online presence in your community, working with healthcare professionals, utilizing word of mouth marketing. That grassroots effort is really important. And then providing quality care is a core as far as building your foundation, customizing and personalizing care plans, customer satisfaction. So once you get your business settled and established, then that's when you could start thinking about scaling and what type of technology. And I would say the culture of your business is something you need to think about from the very beginning as well. But a lot of times people don't think about these things. They just want to jump right in. So in order to have a successful business, guys, you must first, so let me do a little recap. You must first give yourself permission that this is what you want to do. Second, research your rules and regulations for your state. Third, write it down, guys. I'm not a big component of business plans, the formal business plans, unless you are seeking funding from an institution, especially a bank, a credit union, then yes, you do need that full-blown business plan. However, I am a strong believer, it's a part of who I am. Write everything down. And some of you may be like, oh, I'm not a writer. That's fine. It's probably, based on how you were wired, how God created you, and what your color is. If you guys don't know about color, you need to check out my BFF, Natasha Garcia. She has an amazing training on color, the makeup, how you're wired, how you operate, how you deal with other people, etc. But that's a whole nother video, right? However, I believe when you write things down, it gives you that roadmap. It's like GPS. It gives you that roadmap. So then you can focus on all of those other things I mentioned in the video, marketing, your unique value proposition, right? Which is AKA differentiating, or unique selling proposition, but also value. But separating yourself from others is huge. That's why you look at your competition. You're not looking at your competition to copy by any means, because you have your fingerprint, right? So you just look so you know what your local market could bear. Okay, the average in the community, the providers are charging this much. These are the services that are, needed. So you're looking at the competition simply because you're doing competitive market research. You're not looking to copy. So you figure out what is it that you have that's different? What is it that you love? What is it that you've been blessed with that you can add to your home care business to differentiate it from everybody else's? Okay, that's why you do the competition as far as your competitive market research. Okay, that's it, guys. I be trying to give y'all as much nuggets. I know y'all don't like the fluff. I don't like the fluff. So let me know y'all like straight to the point. Give me what I need. Give me what you got to the point. And of course, if you guys need any assistance with scaling and growing and starting your business, I can help you out. So check out my website, homecarecoaching.com. And you already know what time it is. It's time to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications as I continue to drop videos every single week. Right now, we're doing videos on Tuesday and Friday. We've been consistent for quite some time. So I'm excited and thank each and every one of you that are a part of my tribe, a part of my channel. I appreciate you and take care. God bless. Mwah!